Open Surface Measure on the survey interface. Click the antenna height to set the antenna measured height and antenna measurement type. Click the setting to modify the by hand. Click the icon to turn on the tilt measurement and follow the prompts to initialize the tilt measurement. Click the measurement icon again to collect other points on this surface. Click the measurement icon again to collect other points on this surface. Click the completion icon to complete the surface collection.